Julie with Warmboard, and today I'm on site in Vermont. It's a warm 5 degrees outside, and this home is being renovated with Warmboard-R and our Warmboard Comfort System.
A few details regarding old home renovation and Warmboard. First, a great deal was put into leveling the floors of this home. Here they chose to level and install a 3/4 inch Advantech and then go over the top of that with our Warmboard-R panel. However, this could have also been done with our Warmboard-S panel directly over the joists. Depending on old joist spacing and the amount of leveling needed, please use your discretion. But know, with Warmboard, you have options. Second, just as old homes are not always level, they are oftentimes not 100% plumb either. You'll notice not all of the Warmboard-R panels touch. Small gaps between the panels and around the edges of the rooms are fine and will be covered up by the finished floors. Also, with Warmboard-R, you'll notice our filler panels can be used under casework items such as kitchen cabinets or built-ins. Lastly, you'll notice new windows are in, but the insulation has yet to be installed. When our licensed engineers do the heat loss calculations and mechanical drawings for our Warmboard Comfort System, they will take into account the U value and area of your windows, as well as the R value of the insulation intended to be used. This will ensure the Warmboard Comfort System will heat your home on the coldest day of the year.